Hello, my Groove friend. Hello, my Groove friend. Glad is here, and I'm so excited to come up with this other sneak peek video where I'm going to show you the affiliate, the GrooveFunnels affiliate and the marketplace. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. Not only are you an affiliate for GrooveFunnels, you promote their product, like this software that everyone wants for their business, and everyone needs to run their business in one place. And also the marketplace, where the affiliates themselves, they put their products and services so that other affiliates can come in and promote their products if it fits on their vision, or if they are passionate about that kind of product, right? So you see, being an affiliate, it's a great business model when I compare it with network marketing, because I've been into network marketing since the last 6 years. And affiliate marketing seems to be very exciting because you have your own product, right? You encouraged to create your own product and service. While in network marketing, you're just stuck with that one product of the company that you're promoting, and you get stuck there, right? And sometimes you don't go anywhere with it, and maybe you get out of that company, and that's why network marketing is, people see it badly in a way, but we have to revive that also, because it's also a great business model. But being there and worked on that, now into affiliate marketing, I'm starting to discover it's even a greater business model because of its structure. Because the difference is that in network marketing, you have a big structure, you have generational structure that, it goes down and down and down, it has a great depth in the structure. But with the affiliate, it's not a great structure where you have a whole team of hundreds of people that you're carrying behind you. Here, people, like, they are more independent. You have only tier 1 and tier 2. Yeah, you have to teach people when they come, but here people get so independent immediately. You're not just relying on the person who shared the message with you. You come here, you get independent, and you keep going, right? Yeah, so the structure is different, and I seem to like this structure of affiliate marketing. So I've never done affiliate marketing, and right now I'm sharing with you because I want to get started. I want to learn more about affiliate marketing, and that's why I'm doing what's done. I'm sharing what I'm doing, and I'm sharing my link with you. So that's referring my link to you so that you can get started. So that's what is affiliate marketing. Actually, when I started with GrooveFunnels, I'm getting started with GrooveFunnels. I haven't started right away as being an affiliate. It's a product that it's a software that I need to run my business. I have programs that I'm creating courses for. So I'm a customer. First, I'm a customer for GrooveFunnels, but since I'm a platinum member and they have this great 40% as if you're an affiliate and you refer their software to other people, that's why I've said, why not have the two pieces of cakes, right? So that's why I'm trying out, so that I can understand what is affiliate marketing. I've done network marketing. I've started my businesses from scratch. So why not taste a little bit of affiliate marketing? So anyway, as I continue to learn this, and maybe you've never done this, just know I'm getting started. And if you can get started, whether you're doing network marketing, whether you've started your business from scratch, you can use this software. Like, everyone needs it because it's an all-in-one business tools in one platform, and it's just getting better. If you watch the video for the infographic, you saw that what's coming and what's already there, even in better. It's great, right? So let me turn the screen and let's see about the affiliate and the marketplace. Let's take that sneak peek. And remember, I said I'm not going so deep into the details because we have training in GrooveFunnels, that great training that I don't have to copy paste everything and just do the same thing. I prefer you come in and then you go and learn there. But as I move forward, I'll be showing results. I'll be sharing results, right? So let me turn the screen and let's do this. Yeah, so the most exciting one, it's the Groove affiliate. I know, so for so many people who want to make money online and make residual income from home, so this is the most exciting one for you, right? Yeah, so Groove affiliate. So let's jump into it. Actually, I didn't join Groove to become an affiliate, but as I've started building my own funnels and website, and I'm seeing that all these tools, they are incredible. that's why I've said I'm going to start sharing it. So it's like I've become an automatic affiliate, you know, with this desire to share with other people so that they can have all these business tools in one place. This has excited me so much. So that's why I'm like kind of being an affiliate at the same time. So even me, I'm going to make these few videos, and they're going to be like evergreen videos that I'm going to be sharing my affiliate links. Why not have both sides? I create my own products and still promote these GrooveFunnels, because it's really exciting to work on it. And every business should be on GrooveFunnels, like seriously. And everyone who wants to launch their business, they should use GrooveFunnels, because even with the free version, you can launch, I guess, $1 million or $1 billion business, right? Yeah. So anyway, so this is the affiliate dashboard. It looks like that. And then if we can come home, what can we see on home? So that seems to be the home. And then we come to promos. So here you see the affiliate link. So you see I've just started sharing it. So you can see my website, my link is having some impressions. And I have 5 signups so far. I've not yet earned anything because I've just started to promote my link, right? Yeah, so tracking links, I've not yet made them, but that's it. Let me go back to it's freezing on me. Back to affiliate dashboard. So promos, I've shown you how it looks like. So I have the links here to get my links so that I can promote it to other people. So this one, it's an affiliate within a GrooveFunnels, and I signed in as an affiliate because I wanted to see what it is to be an affiliate of another affiliate within GrooveFunnels, right? And actually, as I'm talking about Groove Affiliate, I'm also going to talk about Groove Marketplace at the same time, because as you come here, you see the marketplace. Okay, let me come to this one later. Let's go to reporting. So you see when you have affiliates, this is where you're going to be seeing the transactions of your affiliates, the affiliates that are promoting your own products, right? You can also see the sub affiliates. You see, like I have the sub affiliates here that have joined under me, right? The payment history, when they sell my stuff, they sell my products, or they sell those of GrooveFunnels, I'm going to be able to see them in the payment history here. It's coming soon, right? So there's the settings, you set in everything here, and then here comes the marketplace. So you see all these products here, they are affiliates within GrooveFunnels. And so if I come here, I want to become an affiliate for somebody here. If I love something like this one, Rockstar membership, and I want it, you see they've done sales. So I come here and I say sign up for affiliate program, and I just click on this. So like the other one, I was showing you an example. I don't remember which page I got it. I just wanted, but it was just testing. It's not that I'm becoming an affiliate of that thing, but it was just a testing. And I guess they were also testing because it was €0. I didn't pay anything, right? Yeah, so you see people are posting. It's this one, the one that you've seen on my dashboard. It's Slingly Pro. So you see it's €0, so they're just testing out because I went through it. And so you see I already signed up on this one, so that's why I'm seeing promo tools here. I'm seeing promo tools here, but if I've not yet signed up, it's going to be sign up for affiliate program. And once I sign up, it becomes like this one. So soon I'm going to be putting on my products here. It's excellent. Having other affiliates promote your own products is going to be so cool. So you see people are working already, and they have so many pages here of affiliates promoting their stuff, you see. So if you don't have a product or a service yet, you can come here and start helping other affiliates promote their own products, and you earn the commission, right? Yeah, so you look for products that you are passionate in, right? Products that you use so that you can be able to promote them, right? So you've seen that. I've promoted also for other affiliates as I'm doing this video, right? Yeah, so I've shown you the marketplace, and I've shown you the affiliate, the way it works. So that's how it will be working. And actually, when you're promoting for GrooveFunnels,
So these are the funnels that I was showing you. So these are part of my funnels that I've started creating. You've seen in another video of the Groove Sale. I showed you this one, and they are still on draft mode because I've not continued doing them, but I'm going to continue. So you see, now these are the product funnels that I'm creating. Then if I have affiliates under me, this is where I'm going to be putting the promotional tools that they can use to promote my products. So it's for me to come here and create the promo tools, like the ones that Groove provides unto us, right? Yeah, so I can create coupons, tracking links, page tracking, partner contracts, contracts made easy. I don't have to go searching for writing contracts and everything. I can come here and create contract within Groove Funnels. It's so cool. It will save us time for hiring someone to make us a contract. We can make it ourselves. Partner contract distributions, you'll see them here once we make them. Sales tax settings, I won't go to there in case I've put my tax stuff, right? Yeah, so that's it for today. And then if you have customers, you're going to see them here. Like, we have everything. If you're a Groove affiliate, you have everything to promote Groove Funnels. And also, if you have products and services, you're going to be able to put them here, and other Groove affiliates are going to help you share your products and services if they are passionate about them, right? And you see, you can also manage your affiliates payouts. You see, you're going to see all that here. Affiliate performance. Now this is kind of a leaderboard where you're going to see the performance of your affiliates, and then the payment history. So I've not added anything yet because I don't have affiliates yet, right? But I'm working on that. I come 2021, I'm sure I will have my own products being on the marketplace, which is going to be something cool. Yeah, I'll have some products here. Yeah, so that's it for today. See you on another video.
So did you like that? Do you want to become an affiliate? Help promote other people's products? As you wait for your burning passion to come out, as you wait on strategies to know how you're going to launch your product or service, you can start by promoting other people's. And actually, it gives you experience. It teaches you how to communicate, right? To communicate, how to sell, how to build relationships, how to do this thing online, and how to teach it to others. So it's a great experience when you start promoting other people's products. If you don't have yours, but if you have yours, then jump in, put your products and services on the affiliate marketplace, and we're gonna come, if they please us, other affiliates, they're gonna come and they're gonna say, I want to become your affiliate, I'm gonna promote your product. Bingo, someone else promoting your product. Can you imagine that? Yeah, so I have so many programs. Let me take all of them here, and some that are not here that I'm going to be putting on the affiliate marketing affiliate marketplace, right? It's all about personal development. I'm addicted to personal development. So as Groove Funnels is giving you a great part of professional development with their software, all-in-one software business tools, I'm going to give you a lot of personal development because I'm addicted to that. I love that. When we are growing from the inside, and the professional, then it's on the outside because they are business tools that they are from the outside of us, right? But I'm going to help you get those skills from the inside, developing yourself to bring yourself better to the marketplace, right? So see you on another video, and I'm so excited. So go to groovefriend.com and get your free account or paid account, depending on what you want, right? www.groovefriend.com, right? And for those who want to get this as an entrepreneur, go to www.entrepreneurevolve.com, because as an entrepreneur, you keep on evolving. Both of these links, they are going to the same landing page. What I want you is to grab your free account, try it for 14 days, and decide whether you want to upgrade or not before the 18th of October, because now it's going to become paid as we launch, right? So see you on the inside.